Ollie, want a cracker? Ollie, want a cracker? Hello. Hello.
He's showing off.
Hello.
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 When his camera goes like this, he's showing off.
How are you?
Hello.
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 Hello. I don't know
How
why
on
he's
earth?
tall.
What?
He-
Polly, want a cracker?
Hello. I want a cracker. Hello.
Pretty bird.
Hello.
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 How are you?
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
You wanna see
Hello.
something really cute that you already saw?
Hello.
The hamster.
With me, like she'll ask me, "Did you drink today?" And I'm like,
get
"Yes,
your-
I had a shot of mouthwash before I came and seen you." So we'd ask me if I was wrong.
I'm a little buzzed.
You got it? Just get your palms
I said, "Yep, every day."
and you roll.
No, I
That's
love
all.
How far separated should they be? Why is this so different? Say, we roll the dough. Or you can talk like this. So you roll the dough in your hand.
Hey, Julia Charles.
Julia Child.
Julia Charles.
Today we're not doing chicken. But sometimes you can do this. This is like a meatball. And this is the way we would make a meatball. You get it and you roll it. He does two at one time, this guy. Two at one time. He's very talented. Very talented. Sometimes he even gets his foot up here and puts his foot in it. So when people say they put their foot in it, he does. He truly does.
So they're all done.
Long ways.
Long?
Yeah. That's it.
All you need is one more. That's it. Put that other one underneath. If you move them over, you'll
Everybody's
be all
on
right.
Instagram.
If you move that set over, you'll fit both. But that's it. And put that other one in the middle somewhere. The one that's hanging off the side.
This is just cutting onions. This is why I don't do white onions. I do red onions.
But I don't know.
Well, watch what you're doing so you don't take your finger off, neither.
Because it would be 7.
You never look. Okay, we got cheddar.
That's what I've been using.
And
I changed
old
it.
pizzerias used to use cheddar and mozzarella mix, but because of the price of cheese as it got up there, they stopped using it. So typically, that's what it'll be. So you want a good mixture of it. About you don't want a half and half. You want more mozzarella than the cheddar, but the cheddar adds a nice little kick to it. So, and don't be afraid to get your hands in there and get dirty. It'll get under the nail. When you're done, you're just gonna scrape the cheese out from your nail with your teeth. Yeah, you're just gonna get right up in there like a toothpick and do that. So that looks good to me. Like the juice man would say. Just get up in there. Don't be afraid. Get in the cheese. Get in there.
I wash my hands.
And it's amazing. Healthy.
I wash my
Derriere. This is the pro. This is the pro.
That's what I'm saying. Take your time. Work it out.
Okay, I'll do the next one.
This definitely rose. Some of them are.
Look,
This
you
feels
massage,
different.
Look, massage the dough. Work it out.
How big do you want to get?
You want to thin the dough out because it fattens up. So you want to make it thin, but not too thin to where it breaks.
Like what Grandpa's doing.
Yes, what Grandpa's doing.
Yeah, just keep spinning it, working it out.
You do down.
That's what you gotta learn to control.
I
'Cause
love
that
gravy.
runs.
I
Once
love.
that touches the edges don't stick as well.
Could I do
And
this?
that's when they blow apart inside the thing, and that's what makes all the pop
Okay.
and cheese
I'll
is
let you
coming out.
Can I
Gotcha.
try to do
That's
that?
what's hard to
I'm trying to
control.
do that.
I'll let
Can
you.
you
No.
just get it?
Why? Come on.
Quick.
Yeah, it's a quick flip, so nothing runs.
Why can't I do that?
I got this.
Tanya, listen. Once that grease or the sauce hits the edges,
It won't stick.
It does not stick. That's what's hard to control. Knowing how much to put down, I still don't understand.
He's still the pro after so many years. Ladies and gentlemen, my father, John.
See, there it is. First one going in.
I don't think it's hot enough.
No, it's not.
Here.
It's on high.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. There you go. All right. Now I'm going to go in here. We got a piece of gravy here. That's got to go. That's got to go.
I said when I did a big one.
All right. You don't want to be afraid of the dough, right? You want to massage it. Treat it nice. Like, if you're at home with your man, your husband, your boyfriend, whatever, get in there. Massage them good. And I got strong hands. And those are the tongs that you're going to be using to grab the Panzerottis out.
It's called flavor now.
Not the derriere. So, don't be afraid of it. It thins out. Get the ends. Get in there. This was a good one that rose. It took a little while for the dough to rise because it's cold in here. You put a hot rag on it, and it's got the air on Antarctica. So, you know, that's a thin spot right there. We don't want that. So you want to just cover that up. So now we're going to work on the ends. And it looks easier than what it actually is. I'm not going to lie to you.
It's like a spoon and a half. Turn it.
I know that's what
Turn it.
Turn it.
You want more cheese than that?
Yeah.
It's so easy.
You want more cheese?
It's so easy. I got this.
I got
Yeah, I
this.
got this.
Watch.
Look.
Watch.
Yeah, come on now have fun flipping that.
Flip the long side.
Yeah.
Long ways.
The long side, honey. The other side.
The other.
Come on,
There
come on.
you
You
go.
got
This way?
get some
There
skin
you
with
go.
it. Get some skin with it.
You got it, hon. You got
That's
this.
You got it. Come on. Break it in and there's sauce to it. There's sauce to it.
Now you can
Look,
all
look,
kiss
see
my
this-
derriere.
You see the sauce?
It doesn't
See the
matter.
sauce?
It-
Watch
but-
when it blows open.
Ain't gonna blow open. Look at that.
Flip it again.
So they don't gotta be picture perfect, right?
No.
Then fold it again.
That's easy, bro. That's easy.
No, it's not as easy as you
I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not easy. You think you can do it, and I'm
You thought
gonna.
you
You know
could
what?
do it and you
You know
did
what I
it.
can say? Practice makes perfect.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You thought you could do it, so, and you did it.
I did it. I've
Exactly.
Everybody, I've conquered my fears. I've always feared Panzerottis all my life, and there's nothing to fear. Get in there. Don't be afraid to get in there. Just call it out when you see it. This is my brother, John. He's also John. There's a lot of Johns in this house, all right? Now, he did a beautiful Panzerotti. Now, that's what you want it to look like, a half a moon. Half a moon, okay? So if he can do it, I can do it. Side by side, brother and sister. I know he looks a lot older than what he is, but he's not, all right? Making Panzerottis.
And they're good.
And they're good. So, homemade fresh Panzerottis, all right? I'm going to show you how this is done. Now, you do it with the mozzarella and the cheddar cheese. I'm available for hire. You can ask me to come out, and I will make you Panzerottis. My price is a little steep, but every moment is worth it. You don't just get a Panzerotti, you get a show. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Here we go. So I'm going to show you how it's done.
Let's go, he said.
Well, what I'm doing, see, he's got to let me do it and go relax. But he's worried about the oil burning. I got this. Anthony, that was your Panzzerotti.
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay.
See, why does it seem like the dough is shrinking? All right, so there you have it, and that's what we're doing today. Let me know what you think.
The results.
The results.
Why is the dough shrinking?
That's mine. You out, hon? Done?
What, honey?
Done?
Yeah, exit out. God bless you guys, and let me know. I'm available for hire.
We're in Deptford, New Jersey. We're at the world famous Friendly's. They seem to be fading out a lot. I don't know why, because they got great ice cream, great food. You go in and relax, you have a good time. And we're here to get a famous ice cream that I love and is dear to my heart. And that is the peanut butter cup sundae 5-scooper. 5-scooper.
I got 0.
Yeah, she ain't gonna get anything, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. Wait till you see this ice cream. And we're taking my father-in-law to Friendly's because he loves a Jim Dandy. Yes, there he
We
is.
said hello to Jim,
Yes.
and he was not dandy.
Here's the Reese's. Oh yeah. Look at that. My father-in-law got the Jim Dandy. Hot diggity dog. Woohoo! And Tanya got nothing. They got extra peanut butter on the side.